Another song, another song. Dark eyes like a midnight sky. You smile and time goes by. Bodies close on the sand tonight. The beat is rising, hearts they fly. Warm sand burning under our feet. You don't speak, but you don't need to. Every move says what you feel. Tonight it's fire and something real. And I don't care about tomorrow. Hold me close, let's steal the moment. Another song, another song. You make me feel alive, losing control. Another song, another song. Every kiss a dream, let's live it out loud. Baila conmigo, dance till the night's gone. Another song, just you and me. Under the sun, just you and me. Music taking us away, mojitos and sweet escape. Your hands slowly on my skin, let this crazy night begin.
Caliente la pista, Miami tu y vida. Tú y yo el sol, la vista es una delicia. Shots de tequila, ritmo que domina. When I step up in the club, everybody says mira. Summer loving, no drama, solo baila. Body rocking, tic-tac hasta que salga la luna. La fortuna tonight, we on fire. 0 to 100, higher, higher, higher.
And I don't care about tomorrow. Hold me close, let's steal the moment. Under the sun, you make me feel alive, losing control. Under the sun, every kiss a dream. Let's live it out loud. Baila conmigo, dance till the night's gone. Under the sun, just you and me. Heat rising, moon shining, your body close to mine, no hiding. This summer love, it feels so right.